Hello, my name is Svante Wibom. I'm the CEO of Lyftsår. We have developed a lifting device for weights, and we have up and down here, just like that. We have on and off, and a kick function. The unit is also equipped for nuts. A little tray here for nuts, and you have a big hole here to enter the nut runner when we are placing the wheel to the car. You also have the bouncing effect, which I will show you in a minute as well. It's outbalanced, so it's easy to find the holes on the car. Okay, let me show you. So now I can adjust the wheel by turning it by hand, and I can also adjust the height. If I'm not happy with the height, I can adjust it with the knobs, up and down of course, but the last thing you do is you balance it since it's out balanced. The wheel we are using here have a weight of roughly 80 pounds or 40 kilos.